Our topic is Euglenoid or Euglenophyta. First point is Euglenoid relate with zooflagellate. Let's know what is zooflagellate. Zooflagellate are also protists. Zooflagellate are protists which can live as both symbiont and parasite, such as trichonymphas which live in the gut of termite and digest dry wood. In response, termite give them protection. Next point is euglenoid or unicellular. It means euglenoid consists of only single cell. Next point is euglenoid have two flagella. One flagella is long and other flagella is short. Flagella help protist for movement. Next point is plant-like pigment chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and carotenoid are present in euglenoid. As you know, chlorophyll A absorbs dark green light, chlorophyll B absorbs light which chlorophyll A miss, such as blue light, and carotenoid mostly absorb orange and red light. Red chili are also example of carotenoid. In darkness, euglenoid become heterotrophic and start eating organic matter of oceans. Here our today topic is ended.